everybody, it's time to find out what's in our box. First, it's box. Then it's time for lava lamps. I've got something in my box, in my box, in my box. I've got something in my box. I wonder what it is. Ooh. Wait. Jump! Wow, jump! Let's put our jumping aliens back in the box. What's next? Oh, have a look. Wow. And stop. Turn it on. Ready, steady, go. Wow, look at the colours we got. Red and green and orange and blue. And stop. Let's put our spinning lights back in the box. One more thing. Oh, look. Oh, let's wind it up. Wind. Go. It's a lion. Let's do it again. Wind it up. Ready, steady, go. The lion's walking. And stop. Put the lion away. And our box has finished. Now it's time to make some lava lamps. We need 1, 2, 3 glasses. We need oil and vinegar and bicarbonate of soda. Let's move the glasses up. 1, 2, 3. We need blue and red and green colours. And we need some pots for mixing. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 pots. 1, 2, 3 glasses. 1, 2, 3 colours. Perfect. Okay, first, bicarbonate of soda. Open it. Spoon. 1 spoon, 2 spoons, wow, 3 spoons. Give it a shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Next is the oil. Lid off. Oh. Pull. Pull. Oh, this is hard. Pull harder. Oh. Oh, got it. There we are. Pour it in. And stop. Pour it in. Glug, glug, glug. Glug, glug, glug. Glug, glug, glug. And stop. Number 3, pour it in. Glug, glug, glug. Glug, glug, glug. Glug, glug. And stop. Lid on. Turn it. There we are. 1, 2, 3. 3. Colours next. Start with green. Lid off. Green in the pot. Lid on. Turn it. Red next. Teaspoon. Lid off. Turn it. Turn it. Red in the pot. Lid on. Blue in the pot. Don't need a spoon for this, it's liquid. Drip, drip, drip. Excellent. Lid on. Blue, red, and green. Okay. Vinegar next. Lid off. Pour it in. Look. Green. Pour it in. It's gone red. Last one. That's right, pour it in. Blue. Lid on. Green first. One, 2, 3, pour. Might need some help. Look at the bubbles. Oh, here they come. Wow, look at the bubbles. Let's do the red one. 1, 2, 3, pour. a stir. Gentle. Here they come. Look. Red bubbles. Lots of little red bubbles. There it goes. Wow. Blue next. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just give it a stir. Here they go. Wow, look at all the blue bubbles. So fast. Green, red, and blue lava lamps. Spoons away. 1, 2, 3 pots away. Blue, red, and green colours away. Let's put the oil away. Put the vinegar away. And put the bicarbonate of soda away. Put our green lava lamp away. Put our red lava lamp away. And put our blue lava lamp away. And lava lamps have finished.